So you need help with your business formation, you've come across ZenBusiness, and you have some questions. Well, in this video, I'm going to provide you with a clear breakdown of what ZenBusiness provides for small businesses and entrepreneurs, an explanation of the key features and benefits you can access with ZenBusiness, and what you absolutely must know before deciding whether or not ZenBusiness is right for you. So make sure to stick around. And if at any point you want to sign up for ZenBusiness, I've got a link in the description below, which will give you the best current available offer and support the channel. So feel free to use that if you'd like. Now, diving right into things, what is ZenBusiness? Basically, ZenBusiness is an online platform that simplifies the process of business formation, compliance, and management for entrepreneurs and small business owners. With their platform, you're able to form and manage a variety of different company structures, including things like LLCs or limited liability companies, which can provide you with liability protection and tax flexibility, corporations, both C Corps and S Corps, which can be ideal for businesses planning to scale, be more efficient with their taxes, or even take on investors, and DBAs, or doing business as, which essentially allow you to operate under a different name without needing to form an entirely different entity. A few unique features that ZenBusiness has to offer. First is their worry-free compliance. So their platform is going to automate annual reports and handle any penalties if things are filed late, to give you that peace of mind. They also have a registered agent service, which is going to be included for the first year of your business formation, and then optional for purchase moving forward. This allows you to keep personal information private and ensure you're still receiving your important business documentation. On top of that, their business formation guarantee is going to ensure that things are filed accurately, and if they're not, ZenBusiness is going to make things right. Their business formation guarantee also guarantees accurate filings from ZenBusiness. So now that you understand what ZenBusiness is, let's talk about how it actually works. Well, it's a very simple platform, and there's a simple 5-step process to go through. First, you'll use the link below to navigate to their website and select the business structure you want to pursue. From there, you'll choose the pricing plan that makes the most sense for you. This will be their starter plan, their pro plan, or their premium plan. We'll talk more about exactly what these entail later, but I'll give a quick breakdown here. Their starter plan is going to come in at $0 plus your state filing fees. So no matter what state you're in, there's going to be a fee associated with filing your business documents. That does not go to ZenBusiness, but ZenBusiness may charge you an additional fee on top of that. On the starter plan, ZenBusiness is not making anything from that transaction. And so the services that you get are going to be a little bit more minimal. They're going to help you search for name availability and just help you make a very standard file. On the pro plan, you're looking at $199 plus your state fees. And this is going to add in things like expedited filing, compliance services, and a few other things that we'll talk about later. The premium plan comes in at $299 plus state fees. This includes everything in the pro plan with the addition of a website, domain, and email address. Once you've selected what plan you want to be on, then you'll need to provide your business details. These are going to include things like your business name, the state of formation, and your contact details. ZenBusiness will handle checking for availability and handling all registered agent services to, again, make sure your name is out of the public record. From there, ZenBusiness is going to draft and file all of the necessary paperwork with the state, keeping you updated with the progress from your dashboard all the while. And finally, once the formation has gone through, they're going to help you out with post-formation services. Things like getting your EIN, worry-free compliance, and helping you get set up with things like business credit cards and different kinds of insurance that you might need. Now, in addition to their formation and filing services, they also offer ZenBusiness Money Pro. This is essentially an all-in-one tool to manage your business finances. Once you actually have the business, there's a number of things you need to think about that allow you to do business. These are going to be things like creating and sending invoices, having a client portal to make delivering your services easier, online payments, expense and income tracking, mileage tracking, year-round tax prep, and business insights where you can access, simple charts and data to track how your business is doing. Now, a couple more benefits to dive into before we get into what you absolutely must know about ZenBusiness. First, the affordable and transparent pricing really stands out with the $0 starter plan where you're only paying the state filing fees. Additionally, ZenBusiness offers a number of time-saving features to buy you back more of your most valuable resource as a business owner. These include things like compliance reminders and registered agent services to give you that peace of mind, and the website builder, domain, and email services to get you up and running there as well, all in one convenient place. They've also got incredibly high customer satisfaction with a 4.8 out of 5 on Trustpilot, with many users citing ease of use and great customer service. So that sounds great so far, but what are the potential downsides of ZenBusiness that you need to be aware of? The first one to be aware of is upsells. So with any business formation tool, there are going to be a lot of upsells thrown your way as you are are starting a new business, there could be many different things that you might need. And so ZenBusiness is going to want to offer you as many of those as possible. The next thing to think about are processing times. So on that free starter plan, processing times are going to be a bit longer. And so if you are in a bit of a rush, you might have to pay a bit more for one of those elevated tiers to get your business formed in a more timely manner. On top of that, there's a chance to run into issues if you have more complex business needs. So ZenBusiness is designed for simpler businesses that are just starting and needing to get formed for, legal and potentially tax purposes. If you have more complex needs, like operating in many different states, a complex ownership structure, you might need additional resources above and beyond what ZenBusiness is able to offer for you, which might just look like having to hire a lawyer. So some users have reported having difficulty canceling their various services or being confused about what they are actually billed for. Again, that probably comes back to those upsells and just going in with a very clear set of what exactly you want. Before we dive into who ZenBusiness is going to be best for, I want to dive a little bit deeper into each of the various pricing plans so that you can fully understand what you're getting on each tier. Now, again, first you got the starter plan, which comes in at a $0 fee, in addition to the state filing fees, which are unavoidable. On this plan, you'll have a name availability search to make sure your business name is not taken, standard filing with the state, which can typically take, 5 to 7 days ideally, and a free registered agent service for your first year. Generally, this plan is going to be best for entrepreneurs who are on a tight budget and really just need a business set up. On the Pro plan, which comes in at $199 plus state filing fees, you're going to get everything from the starter plan with expedited filing. So ideally, your documents should be processed in 1 day or less. However, depending on the state that you're in, the Secretary of State filing times could take an additional 2 to 3 days, or potentially even a couple of weeks, depending on how backed up it is. On the Pro plan, you're also getting that worry-free compliance, meaning that they're handling your annual report filing and compliance tracking. You're getting an operating agreement template so that you can customize exactly how your business is set up based on your individual needs. And you're getting your EIN filing so that you can get your employer identification number for your taxes. Keep in mind, this is something you can also do by yourself for free. The Pro plan is generally going to be best for business owners who want a quick turnaround and want that peace of mind by having all of their compliance needs handled. And then lastly, the Premium plan coming in at $299 plus state filing fees. We'll get you everything from the previous two plans. A business website, which is a very basic business website. This is not going to have all the bells and whistles of a Wix or a Squarespace or a WordPress or anything like that, but you'll have a customizable template. You'll have your business domain name. You'll have a business email address, some basic SEO tools, and a mobile-friendly design. This is going to be best for businesses that are willing to spend a little bit more for the convenience of having a website, email, domain all up right away. So all that being said, who's going to benefit the most from ZenBusiness and who might want to look elsewhere? Well, ideal ZenBusiness customers are going to be folks like first-time entrepreneurs, people that are, pretty intimidated by all of the different steps they have to follow and want to make sure that they're not making any kind of mistakes that might come back to bite them in the future. Small business owners that are just pressed for time and resources and bandwidth and really just want something simple and done. Budget conscious startups can benefit a ton from their $0 starter plan because it is completely free. And digital first entrepreneurs that want to move fast. Folks that might not find what they're looking for are larger or more complex businesses. So again, if you're operating in many different states, you have a bunch of different owners, you're looking to sell equity in your company to somebody, all of those things likely require the assistance of a legal professional in order to make sure that all of your documents are legally sound and everything is set up as it should be. Additionally, a high growth startup or any kind of other company needing excessive customization might not find exactly what they're looking for with ZenBusiness. ZenBusiness is very much meant to be a convenient, out of the box solution that helps you to create a business quickly, not necessarily a replacement for a lawyer. So all that being said, if you are interested in trying out ZenBusiness, feel free to use the link in the description below to get the best available offer and support the channel in the process. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about ZenBusiness or if you have experience using it yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.